Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be planning up a quick container with 3 plants. I wanted to do just an easy, simple project, and it's kind of raining outside, so we can't really do much out here. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing. So I have this galvanized actual sap bucket that I got from a local craft store. She paints all these cute things on them. They're adorable. And then I have drilled 3 holes in the bottom there. And my plants that I'm going to be using, of course you guys know I go with the patriotic flowers. This is let's see here, an endless illumination bush violet. It gets 12 to 16 inches tall. This is an annual in my zone. Then right here I got a Lonnie upright red verbena. This gets 12 to 16 inches tall. Then I got this pentis, which I thought this was beautiful. It gets 8 to 22 inches tall. So this was kind of the grouping that I had planned. Of course, that'll stay shorter than this, and then this will stay shorter than this. So what I'm going to be using is some Espoma organic potting mix, and then I'm also going to be throwing in some biotone. I just have some little packets of this. So let me get into the project. Alright guys, so here is the arrangement. So I love how it turned out. I'm going to be putting it where that watering can is. So as you can see in here, I just kind of left like a little bit of a lip there. That way, whenever I water it, the water doesn't like completely go all over the place. Boy, we are about to get a storm. So I will update you guys as the season goes on. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.